Maafushi is the most popular island in the Maldives for budget travel tourists. The proximity to the airport and good connection with the capital make it the #1 destination for people who want to experience the Maldives on a budget. About 2,000 people live on the island, and the island offers a relatively large selection of restaurants, tourist agencies that offer diving, trips to other islands and various marine activities. Our journey begins at the airport in the capital of the Maldives. The tip for all those who travel in their arrangement is to travel directly from the airport because it is much easier to navigate and find the right boat that goes to the desired destination than from the port in the capital. A ticket to Maafushi by speedboat costs $25 per person and should be booked in advance. We didn't have a reservation, but we were lucky because the boat was half empty, which is not always the case. We booked Hotel Island Ambience in advance for 2 nights. The staff picked us up immediately upon arrival. They put our things on the trolley and gave us umbrellas because it had already started raining. The staff was really very kind and ready to help at all times. The location was about a 5-minute walk from the Bikini beach. It was raining lightly, but it did not discourage us. Unfortunately, after a short tour, it started to rain quite heavily, so we Only in the evening did we manage to go out for dinner. On Google Maps we found a restaurant called Mr. Octopus that had the highest and best reviews. We ordered a seafood plate and grilled jumbo prawns, and cookies and chocolate cake for dinner. We didn't really like the food. Probably ordered things that weren't that good. We spent the rest of the evening exploring the island. The next morning, the sun greeted us and we immediately headed to the beach. After swimming, we decided to try the local ice cream, which was excellent. We decided on coconut and cheesecake flavor. Finally, we got the chance to explore the island during the day, so we walked around the island and then took another bath. Several large hotels have been built on the island directly on Bikini Beach and in the vicinity of that beach, which further increases the tourist capacities of this island. There is only one Bikini Beach on this island, and with such a large number of visitors, it becomes quite overcrowded during the day, in our opinion. Regarding transportation to Maafushi, as far as I know there are 2 companies that provide transportation with speedboats. One is called Icom Tour while the other is Maafushi. next day it's time to leave. We go back to the capital from where we take a new speedboat to Maafushi. After arriving in port, a problem. Since the ship was half empty when we arrived, we didn't make a reservation, and of course there were no seats this time. Luckily, we got a seat on the next boat and happily arrived at the destination.